I think every diet works, right? Technically, every
Mm-hmm.
diet works, but it's just you have to stay with it consistently. Now, the issue is, in order to stay with it consistently, it has to be a lifestyle change that you can maintain. So people can say, yes, keto works because it. For me personally, I need my carbs. I'm not even, like, I'm not. So it might work for somebody who can do without carbs and they can fill up on. And then also for me too, I'm pescatarian, so I don't eat meat. So it's
Mm-hmm.
difficult for me to be on a keto diet and I don't eat chicken breast and stuff you're required to eat on that keto diet. So to say if it works, yes, technically every diet works, but is every diet realistic? It depends on you. It depends on your lifestyle. And that's why my health and fitness business is, find a diet that works for you. Find a lifestyle change that works for you that you can maintain. It's not a 30-day thing, these 30-day challenges or doing this so I can lose 20 pounds. That's not how you're going to lose weight. Because even if you do lose the weight, you're going to gain it all back. Right. So you have to make these lifestyle changes that you can maintain for a lifelong time.